Hey there, business pros! Welcome to another exciting tutorial where we dive deep into the world of rapid business modeling, aka RBM business tools and technologies. Today, we're focusing on something that can revolutionize the way you approach your business models. Today, I'm diving into RBM's rapid prototyping tool, a powerful software designed to streamline your business model creation process. Ready? Let's get started. This tool is incredibly user-friendly, and by the end of this video, you'll be navigating it like a pro. First up, we begin with data generation. This is the foundation of your prototype, and it's crucial to get it right. You'll see an option for Rapid Prototyping BM, which stands for Rapid Prototyping Business Model. This is where the magic happens. This feature is designed to help you quickly create a company's business model that you can test and refine in real time. Go ahead and click that. Once you do, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can start entering your data. Next, you'll be prompted to enter some details: the number of products, customers, amount of revenue, costs, and BOM. BOM stands for Bill of Material. This is a comprehensive list of materials, components, and assemblies required to create your product. Let's plug in some numbers. Revenue 11, cost 7, number of BOM 10, and BOM in million 3.5. These numbers are just examples. Hit OK, and you'll generate some tables. These tables provide a visual representation of your data, making it easier to understand and analyze. Now that we've got our data, the tool will ask for organizational details. This is where you can define the structure of your business. Let's enter a small organization for a chemical plant. Think 55 operators, 4 salespeople, sales engineers, 1 sales manager, and 1 chief executive officer. This setup is just an example, but it shows you how to structure your team for optimal efficiency. With that done, click on the blue field. This will take you to the next step in the process, where you can start to see your prototype come to life. Give it a few seconds, and the model will be calculated. The tool uses advanced algorithms to generate a detailed prototype based on the data you've entered. You'll notice some now colored Schaltflächen. These are your clickable options. These options allow you to navigate through your prototype and explore different aspects of your business model. They look like whale curves or 3-dimensional data models. These visualizations provide a clear and intuitive way to understand your data. Just click on them to navigate through your prototype. It's that straightforward. With RBM's tool, you're not just creating a prototype, you're fast-tracking your business model development. Thanks for tuning in, and happy prototyping. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and we can't wait to see what you create with RBM's rapid prototyping tool. Until next time, keep innovating and pushing the boundaries of what's possible.